The glove box comes as one big assembly, as you can see, gets removed all together, and here we have the part number for the whole assembly. Besides that, we have the lamp for the glove box, the interior glove box LED. This is how it looks. And we also have the ambient LED light for the footwell. This is how it looks. The inside LED in the glove box. If you guys want to replace the LED in the glove box,
you have to push these two stops like that and push it through. And
now the LED element comes out like that. Pretty straightforward. And this is a part number for the glove box LED lamp. To replace the footwell lamp after you have removed the glove box assembly, what you guys have to do, you have to push on the tabs on the sides of the LED lamp, which will allow you to push it through like this, and then the whole LED lamp will come out. And this is the part number for the footwell LED lamp. Insert the new one the same way. Simply push it through like this, and it will snap into place.